Can't find your Wi-Fi option on your Windows PC? Is it missing in your taskbar or your settings? Before diving into complex fixes, let's try to reset your network adapter here in Windows 11, which commonly solves the problem. So let's go ahead and open up our settings, head on down to your start menu here, and we're gonna right click on it, not left click, but right click, and you'll see settings. Go ahead and open up your settings. Now over on the left-hand side, we're looking for network and internet. You can left click on that. And then we're looking for advanced network settings here under network and internet. So left click on that. And then here you'll see an option that says network reset, reset all network adapters to factory settings. So we'll go ahead and select that. And it says this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So do be aware of that. But basically what this is going to do is reinstall all your network adapters and set it back to default. Now you will need to know your internet password to get back and logged in. So if you're good with that, we'll go ahead and hit reset now. It's going to say network reset. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? We're going to go ahead and hit yes. You're about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. So shutdown will start on the date. And if you're good with that, we'll go ahead and hit close. So it's going to start reinstalling those network adapters, and I don't have internet here. So we'll let this restart and then I'll come back to you. It actually gave me another warning here that Windows will shut down in 2 minutes. All right, so my system's rebooted here and it's set everything back to default, and we can head down to the bottom right-hand corner. We've got our little internet icon here. I can tap on that. And my Wi-Fi. We can find our network here and punch in our password. And go ahead and hit next. Verifying and connecting, connected, and we are good to go. And really it's that easy to reset your network adapter here in Windows 11. Hopefully this fix works for you. Until next time, thanks for watching and take care.